Hello and welcome to German Lehrer, a premium way to learn Dutch. In this lesson 3 of A1 course, we will learn about German personal pronouns. I am your mentor Joseph with you, and together we are going to learn. Let's begin with the first case, and it is nominative case. In the nominative case, pronouns are the subjects of the sentence. We start with the singular form in first and second person. In the first person, we have ich, which is equivalent to I. In the second person, we have du, which is equivalent to you. If you want to address someone in formal way in German, then we have the word Sie. Now let's check third person. In the third person, we have er, which means he, sie, which means she, and s, which means it. Now let's continue with the plural form in first, second, and third person. In first person, we have wir, which means we. In second person, we have ihr, which means you. And also in formal way, we can use sie. And in third person, we have sie, which means they. And as you could see that sie is the word which is used for she and they. So we have to find the difference from the context. Also note that the formal form of you in the singular and plural form of sie is always capitalized. And notes. Please practice properly and contact me on the comment box if you face any problem. If you have missed our previous lesson, then check it from the end screen and from the description too. Our fourth and next lesson will be on German nouns, gender, and definite and indefinite articles. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, tschüss.